In Canada 2026, it's Ecuador, it's Bolivia. Alindes winning the touch is Sebastián Becasese. Forward. The coach is Oscar Villegas. And we are underway at the Monumental Banco Pichincha World Cup. Ball wide by dribbling by John Jeboa. Looking to strike. Jeboa! First warning sign for the keeper is there. Almost lost ball there in the middle by Dalit Terrazas. The shot by Bite. Passes, putting it in for Enner Valencia. Enner Valencia going down on the sideline. And his cross. Menacho, as here is Minda with the left foot. Hincapié. Passing the ball around it. One of the surprises, one of the new names that Becasese has put on, and here's a foul. On free kick, straight on. Trying to hit the target by Stupinian. The team from Becasese that try, but does find Ordóñez and Pacho. Well collected by Vizcarra after the bounce. Venezuela, Chile away from home. A landmark victory. Jeboa dancing around, sending it in. Now the corner is for Ecuador with Plata on the take. And Minda tries to go one-on-one. Good. Ordóñez going by. He did not realize the ball was going for him. And then committed the foul. Terrazas on the take. Here's the cross by Adalid. Galata. Jeboa on the follow. Jeboa deflected and in the fleet. The pass out wide for the cross, and there's the goal. The chance for Valencia. Good pass. Here is Alan Minda inside. It's Estupinian. It's Estupinian. It's Valencia. It's not a goal. Incredibly. And they all swore. Ramirez should take one or two looks at it and will think it's a yellow. But first, Valencia. For Ecuador, not a good execution as Vizcarra managed to get a slight deflection in, but does not matter for Ecuador as they get the goal they were so desperately waiting for. More than 2 games without converting, and ended up running around Valencia, waiting and giving the great pass to Jeboa. Plata, golazo, goal! For La Tri, for Ecuador, who strike 2 times for the price of 1. Valencia here waited perfectly as the setup man for the run of Gonzalo Plata after a bad pass with a 2-goal lead. And the rebound that favors. Long ball from Hincapié. A finisher. The long cross is the VAR apparently. As Jeboa takes the cross. Here is the cross from Jeboa. Hincapié on his run. Faking out Baca. Puts the cross in 6th place. As Valencia fires in the Ecuadorian side as Hincapié lobs it for Ordóñez, who cuts. And for La Tri as Jeboa tried for a fancy move. Are already into stoppage time of the first half. 5 minutes have been added. The run from Ordóñez. The cross to the others with Jeboa, who likes to go one-on-one. and attack the defenders. Beautiful move by Minda, has the third. And he shoots it into the hands. That ball goes to Plata, the header for Valencia. The recovery. The pass wide for the cross from Minda for Valencia. Goal for Ecuador. Beautiful header from Enner Valencia with power after the cross from Alan Minda. And the two combine for the third goal. Ecuador. And this one's coming very tight. Perhaps the right shoulder. It's going to be Adalid Terrazas. The cross in his right. Yes, here is Estupinian, a long one. That chance. Oh, the header straight to the middle. Two opportunities. Ecuador. Can they capitalize? Plata. Valencia, the control. And the return for Gonzalo. Valencia going to his right. Leaves it for Plata. Goal! Goal for Ecuador. Once again, the same formula. Plata to Valencia. Valencia back to Plata. And the lefty finish up top. A hug for the coach. And the third for Ecuador. Very early. It makes his mark as this could be the fourth. And a fantastic back post with this corner by Plata down on the ground. And Hincapié. The pivot pass by Valencia. Over here. The shot by Minda. For Ecuador, and another player who deserved it was Alan Minda, who played spectacularly tonight. He uncorks a beauty from the left side. That was where Becasese put him to cut inside and fire, and boy did he. Now 10. It could by Ecuador. Estupinian wants a chance. Parvis smacks the crossbar. Almost a golazo from Estupinian. Products of the youth divisions over there, just like looks like it. Here is Angel Mena. It's staring number 18. Good feed inside. Mena tried with an ability of a fifth. Sarmiento. And it's Arroyo. Wanted to. In the meantime, it's a cross from Hincapié. Here's Kenny Arroyo with the opportunity. Good pass in front for